Hey Mark, so just finishing up on Downing here, and I'll just get right into the changes. So the first change you asked for was to get rid of this. There was a legacy note in here for the ground cover being gravel, so switch that up or got rid of that. Um, then you wanted kind of an explanation on where we lost our landing or some of the space in the landing, and that was coming from. Um, when we got rid of all that square footage. So what happened was is that this was back to the 18th of July. So we had this. This was out without adjusting the stairs. This is just getting rid of that two. We wound up getting rid of 2.5 feet. You could still see like the deck isn't adjusted and the roof's not adjusted and the stairs aren't adjusted. But this was just trying to meet our square footage goals. So, but this shows initially where that where that landing was bigger. I think that's probably around 5 feet. Um, but after we adjusted the stairs, this is going to the 23rd. We got rid of um, a couple feet. So the 23rd, we got rid of. I think we added one riser here. But the issue there was that okay, so the issue was that we had this was initially coming just going straight down from plan north to plan south, and we ran into this clearance issue with the elevator because we got pinched, or we got rid of 2.5 feet here. So we changed the direction of the stairs. But the issue with doing this change was that there wasn't enough clearance to maintain. I think we wanted to maintain this 3'6" clearance, and then with the column in the way. So, in response to that comment, we got rid of, I think we pushed two risers up to what would be the top of the of the stair run, and that you can see here, and this is dated the 25th. Um, so we just pushed, there were two risers, or two treads got pushed into this space, and that's basically what happened. I hope that makes sense. Um, but in order to get a decent landing, our 3'4" clearance down here, we had to push up into that 5 foot landing upstairs. So that's kind of how we got to where we are with this. And then the last issue you were talking about was with the roof lines. And I think those were pretty unclear. And what was happening was that we have those two levels of roofs, and I kind of went out on a bit of a limb here and was showing this as or this on this change, and decided to just show the one roof for this first floor because we'll show both roofs on the second floor, and I think showing the other roof on this floor definitely adds to some confusion. So I just got rid of the outline for the top roof here because I think on the first floor we only need to see the one floor above, and we'll see both of them on the second floor. So anyway, also added the roof framing line here, or sorry, wall framing line for the structure above, which I think was the same line weight before, so we adjusted that. And then let's go to the second floor. And here is, I think this is also a little bit confusing, but I wasn't sure of a better way to do it. I took a look at our graphic standards that you shared with me, and we actually do, so we have the same line weight or the same pen weight for roof above and roof below. So I think what was partially adding to the confusion, especially here, was that we're showing a roof above, the main roof that's above this enclosure, and then the roof below that is for the first floor. So what I did is I just changed the I added a little pen weight to this top roof. I'm not sure if this warrants like an actual change in our template or anything, because I'm not sure how much this issue comes up. Um, but I think this is still light enough to be to not interfere with the drawing so much. I actually changed it to a like a gray line, like a heavier line, but it's gray. But I think it's distinct enough to like tell a difference, make it clear what's going on. So, and then I changed the note here to dark dotted line is the roof above, and the light dotted line is the roof below. Hope that makes sense, and let me know if you want me to change it. But yeah, okay, that's everything. Thanks, Mark.